You download the CinemaBox app expecting a smooth, Netflix-like experience, endless movies, updated shows, and an easy way to watch everything in one place. But within a few minutes, you start wondering, is CinemaBox truly reliable? Is it legal? And can this app actually replace Netflix in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test apps, tools, and online platforms to help you avoid scams, save money, and find what really works. Today we're diving deep into CinemaBox, a streaming app that claims to give you unlimited entertainment. But can it live up to that promise, or is it just another risky streaming shortcut? For this review, I used CinemaBox on both Android and iOS devices for 7 full days. I tested streaming quality, checked server speed, explored the content library, and analysed how stable the app stays when switching between networks. I compared CinemaBox to Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Plex, and other third-party streaming apps that rely on external links. I also researched user feedback from forums and online communities to understand long-term reliability. After all this, I have a clear picture of where CinemaBox delivers and where it struggles. CinemaBox promotes itself as a lightweight, all-in-one streaming solution with access to movies, series, and even offline downloads. It promises HD quality, fast servers, and a Netflix-like interface without the subscription fee. But is this realistic in 2026, or does CinemaBox fall into the common traps of unofficial streaming apps, broken links, unstable servers, and questionable safety? Step 1. Content library and availability. The library is huge, thousands of shows and movies, including recent titles, classics, and trending releases. However, content availability depends on external sources, meaning some links work perfectly while others fail or take too long to load. Step 2. Streaming quality and playback stability. When the servers are strong, playback is surprisingly smooth. Many movies stream in 720p or 1080p without buffering. But during peak hours, quality varies, and some streams freeze or drop to lower resolution. This inconsistency makes CinemaBox less stable than Netflix, which guarantees uniform quality. Step 3. Interface and user experience. The interface is clean, lightweight, and easy to navigate. Categories load quickly, and the layout feels similar to older versions of Netflix. Offline download support is helpful, but not always reliable. Some files fail mid-download. Step 4. App reliability and safety concerns. CinemaBox is not available in official app stores, which means updates depend on manual downloads and developer availability. This comes with risks: outdated links, server shutdowns, and potential security vulnerabilities. While I didn't encounter malware, unofficial apps always carry a degree of uncertainty. Step 5. Performance across devices. On Android, the app runs smoothly. On iOS, installation is more complicated and may require third-party installers that are unstable or get revoked frequently. Casting to TV works, but quality drops compared to Netflix or Prime Video. Step 6. Legal considerations. CinemaBox streams content without distribution rights. This doesn't make it illegal to download, but depending on your country, streaming copyrighted movies could violate local laws. Users should be aware of these risks before relying on the app as a primary streaming platform. So is CinemaBox the new Netflix in 2026? Pros. Large content library with many popular titles, free to use and lightweight on storage, clean, simple interface that resembles classic streaming layouts, good playback quality when servers are strong, offline download option for some titles. Cons: inconsistent streaming quality, depending on sources, not available in official app stores, risky due to unofficial links, and possible security issues. Some movies and episodes fail to load or buffer endlessly. Legal ambiguity depending on region. Bottom line: CinemaBox is a decent free streaming option for casual viewers who don't mind occasional broken links and server issues. But it's not a Netflix replacement, not in quality, stability, or safety. If you want guaranteed HD quality, legal access, and long-term reliability, official platforms still remain the better choice. If this review helped you understand whether CinemaBox is worth using in 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. We review the apps and tools that really matter. Comment below, which streaming app should we test next? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where honesty comes first.